Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of I.Luv.Murphy. We have a lot of things that I'm probably gonna drop. It doesn't take long, does it, guys? We have some things, I cannot talk today, that I'd like to go through that I've had for a while. And I think this is some of the wish stuff that I still have. All the little labels say wish, and I did take the advice of someone in the comments from my last video to change the phone numbers on the Wish versus Joom order so that I can figure out what is what, and I've actually been doing that. I'd actually done that before, but then I couldn't remember which one was which, and then changed both of them. So, you know, we'll start fresh. It's not like I'm running out of things to buy. It's been a while since I've had a chance to you know, make a video and stop by and say hello to everyone. So hello everyone. I hope you guys are enjoying your summer. I am. We're doing a lot of outdoorsy things. Murphy is not normally an outdoorsy person, but I'm getting the hang of things. I've been seeing these things piling up from the mail, and I really wanted to get into them. You probably can't hear anything over all of this anyway, but I'm sure that you understand that it's my obligatory where I've been and doing a whole lot of stuff other than what I should be doing, you know, aka making videos. But anyway, I'm gonna try to keep this kind of short, so the rambling will be at a minimum, maybe? I don't know, I can't promise anything, but that's the plan anyway. So if you guys remember, as I'm like talking and just kind of like slowly bringing this up, if you remember, I actually had purchased one of these in like an aqua for my girl's bathroom. It's really cute. They really loved it. I could have sworn I got a pink one, not a white one. This one's kind of about to make me sneeze, but this is like ivory. It's cute for their little feet. I mean, honestly, that's like fun size versus adult size. It's cute. It's kind of padded on the back. I really like this for just for the amusement section. This one seems to be floating, have floaties a little bit, not allowing me to have one coherent thought at all, but yeah, it's cute. They have, I wanted to get two, one for each sink, and that's what I did. So here we go. Moving on. But I swear I'd gotten a pink one. I'll have to check and see. Sometimes, you know, you don't get what you're supposed to get. I don't know why I bought this. I thought I bought a pin like this because I have a pin. This is, as you guys probably can see already, is the, good God. Hi, I'm dumb. It's from the Hunger Games. It is the pin that Katniss had. I have it on my book bag actually for school, and I love it. Mine's more of like the antique-y looking authentic version, but it's an actual pin. Not really, honestly can't remember buying a necklace, like a pendant. I don't think I would have. I really wanted to buy a replacement. Excuse me. The fuzzies. The fuzzies from that rug. I don't know. This is very, I mean, it's long enough. I can't really see myself wearing this, but let's put it on because I don't have a necklace on, so. Excuse me. Super attractive. Okay. So, yeah. See if you guys can see that. I don't know what your thoughts are. I don't know what my thoughts are, really. It's very shiny. I kind of wanted more of the antique looking thing, but it's just fun. Yeah, I'll have to like rack my brain. I'm gonna really try to get better about opening these in a more timely fashion. I'm gonna try to not do as many as I usually do, which I guess doesn't really seem that many anyway, but I talk a lot, so. This is cute. I actually ordered this a while back, and I can't remember if this is, yeah, okay. So if you can see, it says fruit popsicles. It is in the shape of a popsicle. It seems to be watermelon flavored slash scented slash something. This is this a highlighter or correction tape? I don't know. They had lemon and like dragon fruit with it. And it comes out like that. My nails match for once. Actually took the time to go out and get my nails done. So this is really cute. I like the graphics on it. It's plastic. Oh, yeah, it's correction tape, which is kind of cute. I don't know. I thought I was going to buy this so that my little ones could each have one. But I can't really see what a toddler and a like first grader would need correction tape for. So maybe that it was for me. Uh-oh. Okay. So it just slides right back on. And that's kind of how you hold it. But I don't know that I would be pulling this out in like, you know, my chemistry class. And it's cute. I don't know. What are you gonna do? I'm a sucker for packaging. I hate saying that, but it's true. You know, get me with the packaging every time. You'll get me every single time. So, just a handful of things. Another pop socket. I had gotten a few of these, and just by feeling the packaging, I think I have a couple more in here. This is very similar to the one that I had gotten before. I was a little late to the pop socket game, but I really like these. I actually wanted to put a couple on my iPad, on the back of my iPad, because I watch stuff on it, as you know, you're supposed to, I guess, but I have nothing to like hold it onto. And then the one on my phone, it's too far down, so it just like kind of falls over. It's funny to me that like I see these at like Target, my Shangri-La, and is probably yours too, as is most people, but they're like $10, and I laugh because I paid I think $2 for mine, $1 plus $1 shipping. So these were all $1 and $1 shipping. They are 3M in the back with a little sticker, and they're just, I mean, this one actually seems a little bit nicer. This one, it feels like it's actually plastic. If it might focus. There you go. Whereas this one actually feels like, oh, you know what? It does feel like plastic. It's wearing. That's the Galaxy one. But it looks like it's paper, I guess you could say. So I'm really excited about putting that one on. I got another one of the same Galaxy ones. And then let me open these up really quick. The two, excuse me, that I got. So interesting story today, actually. I'm got a little bit of the indigestion right now. We went to the VFW a couple of towns over and bought a that Millionaire Hearts, Queen of Hearts raffle or whatever it is. I don't know what it's called, but we were waiting. We decided to eat dinner there, and we went to the little slot machine, digital thingy, and I went in and put like a $20 bill in while we were waiting, and I picked one game and I pushed the button one time and I won 250 bucks, and I cashed out and I went back to my table and drank my Diet Coke because I didn't want to lose anything. So they paid for my dinner and my friend's dinner, so thank you very much for that. But it was really funny. We had a story once where we had gone when we were like, I think we were 20, to like a casino in Wisconsin where you could do that. You could go before you're 21, and somebody put in a quarter, won five, and said they were done. So it was very similar to that situation, but I think I came out a little bit better off. I think I'd rather have gotten what I got versus a couple quarters. But anyway, it was fun, and I'm glad I didn't go back because I'm one of those that like likes the flashing lights, and probably could have sat there. Didn't even realize that I'd won. My girlfriend looked at me and she's like, "Hey, what is that?" And I looked and I'm like, "Oh my god, what happened?" So I'm kind of excited with my little thing. I spent a ton of money today on iOffer buying stuff I shouldn't have bought. So you guys will hopefully see those in the next few weeks. To be continued. Anyway, here I am talking longer than I should have, and I apologize, but interesting story. And as I'm like looking at these and I'm telling you guys this, I realized that I didn't order these. These are not the ones I picked out, because gold lips, maybe, right? Maybe, but what the heck is good vibe? I mean, I wish you all good vibes. I do. I mean it. But I don't know why I would get that. And now I realize that that's upside down. Okay, so sorry. So this one is going to be given away. The lips, I guess I'll keep. I need two, so I felt around and couldn't find any more. So down to the last two. One's humongous and one's not so humongous. So let's do Mr. Not So Humongous right now first. This one feels interesting. I don't know what this is. Okay. Oh, there's two things in here. Ooh, shiny. Hollow. Are you a holosexual? Murphy is, just in case you're wondering. So these are color pop, again, faux color pop. I can't get it to focus, so I'll just let it shimmer the hollow for you. Ultra metallic. Yeah, this is not even spelled right. Ultra metallic lip with an, maybe it's supposed to be like matte. I don't know. That's weird. But it does say color pop on there. One says PYT, Pit and Mugshot are the two colors that I apparently selected. They're not focusing. Okay, I'll show you in a second. So this one is Mugshot, which, okay. And of course I don't have the appropriate sleeves for swatching, but you know, I'm such a fantastic swatcher anyway. I think I'm gonna switch out my background too. What do you guys think? Oh, this is very red. And it reads like kind of pink in the tubey tube. Okay, let's see. Can we do this like a normal person? That is very red, very holiday. I like that actually. Okay. Does it look metallic? Kind of. I don't know. The look on my face really shows a lot of confidence in that. Okay, so that was Mugshot. I don't know what that has to do with the Mugshot, but thankfully I've never had a Mugshot. Cross yourself. Hope you guys haven't either and won't. So I don't know anything about that. Pit. P-Y-T. Pit. Like the pits of hell? Like what's going on? I don't understand. Okay, so this is gold. This is a little bit more my style. Shocking, isn't it? Let's see. So that is very gold. Oh, this one's a little loose. That's kind of weird. Ew. That looks gross. Look at that. That kind of looks gross. Okay, so let me swatchy swatch. That is very yellow. They don't smell terrible, but not fantastic. Sorry about this. I've been leaning on something, so it looks kind of weird. This looks... Okay, let me just try it on my lips because that looks terrible. What? It definitely makes... I just ruined the doe foot applicator. It definitely makes it metallic or gold, I guess. You know, I always say the true test of whether or not you know me well is whether you can understand what I'm saying with my mouth full. Or when I'm, you know, putting lipstick on or whatever. So I'm guessing most of you didn't catch that, but I don't even remember what I said, so I guess it doesn't even matter. So that actually made the color nicer. I don't know really what it did about making it metallic. I'm realizing right now that all of my makeup is gone. I should have reapplied before I came on video. But it's really sticky. Stick to the original, folks. I'm liking the color though. I am liking that. I just don't like the... Yikes. Okay, so this one looks like I started snipping away at that one already. Oh, because I didn't know what it was. Okay. Hello. These are... Look. Oh, okay. So these are actually... I'm done. I don't even know if these are... I mean, obviously they're not real, but if they're going to work. These are magic eraser thingies. So I'll have to... see, it's a whole bunch of them for $1. But I don't know what human would ever need all of these, but it's not like they come in smaller packages, but here they are. I'll have to put in the post in editing, I guess, whether or not they work. Okay. Maybe they can erase my wrinkles. I don't know. that's all I have, you guys. This is not a good look for me. Okay. Yeah, I will take a look and see if these are any good and let you guys know in the captions, or I may have already entered that in there, who knows, in the future. Earlier on in the video, I mean. But I do appreciate you guys stopping. I will check back and post another, hopefully in the next day or two, with a bunch of Joom stuff. If only you could see what is over here. Do you hear it? Can you feel it? Let me see if I can. This is all Joomy Joom stuff. See, Joomy Joom. You know, I'm gonna start the video with dropping stuff. I'm gonna end it with dropping stuff. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and Murphy out. Bye.